Probability of compound events. When we talk about compound events, we are talking about more than one event, right? So those are compound events. And if we are talking about only one event at a time, then it is called a simple event. Now the question here is, a die is rolled twice. Since it is rolled twice, two times, it's a compound event, okay? What is the probability of rolling the same number? Is this an independent or dependent event, right? So rolling the same number, and we are rolling a die. Now when I roll a die, that means there are only 6 possibilities, right? So let me draw one here, and then we'll try to think and write down a solution, right? So let's say here we have our numbers, right? This is, let us say, 4 and 2, and let's say this is 3, right? So we have numbers 1 to 6 on our dice. Now when you roll it, then you can get any number between 1 to 6. Now if you roll it twice, it is the same thing, right? So the events are independent, since the first roll does not really influence the second roll, right? So it is a case of independent events, right? We are not influencing any event with the roll. So that is how it is. Now the question is, what is the probability of rolling same number, right? That means if you roll 4, next time again you should roll 4. If you roll 3, next time again it should be 3. It's kind of a difficult question, but I think you can solve it easily with the help of a matrix. So think like this. When you roll it one time, let me make a kind of table here. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So let me make this like this. Kind of a matrix. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So let's say we roll it 2 times, and then the possibility of getting is 6 numbers. So the outcomes could be how many? That is what we will see. So first time, so the outcomes are like 1, 1. So if you get here, it is 1, 1. This place is 1, 2, and then 1, 3, and so on, right? Now in this case, it will be 2, 1, right? Let us say this is our first, and that is second, right? And this will be like 3, 1, correct? So you'll notice that right in the middle of the row, we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6, right? And in all, there are 6 times 6, 36 outcomes, right? So we see that the rolls which give you the same number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So that is the answer. 6 over total outcomes is 36, right? 6 over 36, right? So that is 1 over 6. So the probability of rolling the same number is 1 over 6. We can write probability of same number twice is, so in this combination when we make, there are 6 favorable ones, 6 over 36, which could be reduced and written as 1 over 6. So that is the answer. And the way is kind of make a matrix. So you have all the outcomes here. So these are all the outcomes. You can just fill it up, right? Similarly, all this. And what you're going to notice is the numbers here in the diagonal matrix 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6 will indicate the numbers where we have the same roll, right? Both the time. So those are the favorable things for us, and the total outcomes are 36, and therefore the answer is 6 over 36, which is equal to 1 over 6. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you.